Hi, Digital Portfolio class. This is Anne-Marie, and this is my WebTool 2.0 on Grammarly. Grammarly is a proofreading software that helps correct grammar, spelling, and punctuation. Developed in 2009 by 3 Ukrainians, Alex and Max were college friends that noticed in the early 2000s, when they were college students in Ukraine, other students were downloading papers off the internet and professors didn't realize that they were plagiarizing their papers. So he first developed My Dropbox, which actually they sold to Blackboard that we use here at Stockton, and it was a way for professors to check for plagiarism. Then they developed Grammarly as a technology for universities to help teach students English as a second language. The third co-founder, Dmitry, realized that even native English-speaking students were struggling with grammar. So instead of developing more software for colleges, they decided to develop a program with a wider range of users, mostly aimed at college students. So the initial software is now expanded to being used professionally by businesses in everyday life like emails and social media. Grammarly has 2 plans available. One is the basic, available for free, and it just checks your grammar, spelling, and punctuation. The subscription plan includes plagiarism, sentence structure, and word choice. It's $140 a year, or you can just pay monthly or quarterly, which is really great because it covers the semester when you have a lot of writing classes. It also can be used on their website. You can add the extension to Chrome or whatever web browser you're using, use within Google Docs, or the plugin available now for Word. So Grammarly works by using AI algorithms to find 250 common grammar mistakes. It analyzes each sentence, looks for a way to improve it, uses your feedback to learn your tone, and make adjustments. You can also switch from formal and professional writing to academic writing for papers. So the best way to use it, actually, since we're college students here at Stockton, is for proofreading papers. It can help fix wordiness, run-on sentences, poor word choices, sentence structure, and proper punctuation. If you pay for the subscription plan, you can check for plagiarism and citation format. It also works when you're in your personal life when you're creating emails within social media apps and text messages by downloading the Grammarly keyboard app on your phone. The cool part about it is that you can turn off alerts so that when you're using slang in Facebook or IG, it doesn't automatically change your sentence. For work, it can create more polished and professional emails, proofread reports, documents, and presentations. Clear and concise writing skills are highly sought after by employers when interviewing employees. Mistakes on your resume is a reflection of your work. And when employers see mistakes in a resume, most likely they're not going to call you back. So when you're looking for a job, especially as a college student and starting to enter the job market, making sure there's no mistakes on your resume is really important. So this is how Grammarly works. Let me get out of that. So the first way you could use it is through their website. You can either type your paper right into their website, or you can download it, either a file that's already existing off of Word Docs, Google Docs, or any other writing platform you may use. The second way to use it, which is the way I use it, is within Google Docs here at our Stockton platform. And here's a paper that I did already this semester. You can open up your paper, and you will see a little G pops up in the corner, and it'll ask if you want to check it. And then the Grammarly sidebar opens up. And what it does is it highlights in red all the mistakes in punctuation, sentence structure, and spelling that it thinks you should correct. And so you can see here, it's telling me if I upgrade to premium that there's 36 mistakes. But if I just want to use the free, it still works. So here you could just go through and it'll tell you where the word that needs to be fixed. You can click on in green and then it automatically fixes it for you. So it's telling me I needed to hyphenate all these words. And here I missed a comma. And here's where there's a spelling mistake. So I have an option to fix that. Here's another hyphenating. Here's another spelling word. See, it's telling me that it's not the right context. And then you're just going to go through until you're all finished, and then you can save your paper. I highly recommend using Grammarly before any papers. It works really well, especially in the professional setting. I use it for all my work emails. It just looks more professional and polished, and it really improves your communication skills. Thank you so much.